Welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how to install the Nature's Generator inlet box. Now, let's go over how to wire the inlet. Each terminal on the inlet is color coded or labeled to match the wires coming from your automatic transfer switch. The X and the Y terminals are your hot wires. These connect to backup L1 and backup L2 inside the ATS. The W terminal is your neutral, which connects to the backup neutral, and the G terminal is your ground. The first step is to remove the chosen knockout on the automatic transfer switch. Next, insert the inlet through the knockout opening you just removed. Now connect the wires to the inlet terminals. Match each wire to its correct position. Finally, secure the inlet to the automatic transfer switch using the screws included in your kit. For installation option 3, start by securing the inlet in the inlet cover. Next, decide which knockout you'll use for the wire connection and carefully remove it. The inlet box can also be installed outdoors. Next, install the conduit clamps on both the automatic transfer switch and the inlet box. These clamps will securely hold the conduit in place, protecting your wires and keeping everything really organized. Now, install the conduit between the inlet box and the automatic transfer switch. Next, connect the wires to the inlet terminals. Match each wire correctly, X and Y for hot wires, W for neutral, and G for ground. Once the inlet connections are complete, connect the wires to the automatic transfer switch. Finally, attach the inlet cover to the inlet box. Make sure it's seated properly and the screws are tightened so the cover is secure. With the cover in place, your installation is complete and your Nature's Generator inlet is ready to use. Installation is now complete. For more helpful guides and tips, be sure to subscribe to our channel and follow us on Nature's Generator across social media for more videos.